everyone, my name is Shastine Hunter and I'm a marketing specialist for Panasonic System Solutions Company of North America. And this month is our second annual month of service.
One of our core values is the importance of reciprocal relationships, partnerships like Panasonic that have to highlight that are instrumental towards our incredible work.
One of our key pillars is focusing on education and the importance of education for the future of work and what it means for our own industry.
We are most grateful to work with you today because you are going to be a hero for children who need that extra boost of hope and some smiles in your community. This is called a You Are Special card, and children love seeing that someone in their community took the time to color the card and sign your first name.
Oh, look at you, Brian.
I want to mention that the teachers that will be receiving each of these kits have gone above and beyond truly during this pandemic.
How are we coming on the cards?
I'm not a very fast colorer.
That's okay. Take your time.
I love that card.
That's awesome.
Awesome banner. Love it.
Yeah, good one, Shri.
Thank you, everyone.
Most grateful. Thank you.
Thank you.